Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is their EDC27 UHi. Now I had done a sneak peek of it. This time I have the release candidate. Now I was sent this by the NitecoreStore.com. They wanted me to do another review of it with what you get here in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now this has a turbo light output of 3100 lumens, which is crazy bright. Now my sneak peeks usually only come with a few items, sometimes nothing. So it's nice to be able to get these as you will get them. And of course you get a rope style paracord lanyard here, which is nice. And we got something else over here. Now sometimes Nitecore will throw stuff in here on their own. Got a protection sensor, of course, dials down the light output. One warranty card here. And we have the user manual. Now this is in multi-language, so I will post the specs chart on screen for you now. As you can see, 3100 lumens is the highest output. Front and back, very well detailed information on their manuals, everything you need to know. Need more time to read those? Go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, we're going to move along. USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Again, very thin design. Easily pocket carry this. It does have a clip. There's information about the battery. A very powerful battery is in here. 2-switch design, mode, power, and most of all you've got that OLED display. Tells you everything you need to know. Light output and light level, battery level, everything is displayed on that. Got areas here. You can grip it sideways, however you want to carry it. You can even carry it tactically if you wish. And you can remove this if you don't want it on there. Style and design on this is very nice. Some people find the flatter designs easier to carry. So now, let's take a look here at those dual LEDs there. Textured reflectors. Those are running the UHi 20 LEDs, exclusive to Nitecore. And they've been performing very well in my tests. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Has kind of a flat finish to it. Helps with gripping it. Makes it less slippery, that is. Alright, well normally I would open this up, show you the battery and everything, but this is a sealed unit. So let's go ahead and get started with the UI and the display here. See there? Got good battery power right out of the box. I haven't charged this yet, so I believe this might be locked out. And we are on, so it was not locked out. And just tap on the same button that you turn it on with to go through those light levels. Show you the display changes as well. So each level that it tells you with. Then of course, if you want the highest output, it tells you how long it'll run at that light output. And it goes through all the little menus, and we're right back down to the lowest. So now let's go ahead and show you turbo here on the screen as well. Just half press and hold that. It does have a countdown timer, but you can do it over and over and over. So now let's do full press. Now we'll give you strobe, and that is a variable speed on the flash, but it is very distracting. Lift up off that, so you just activate that at a moment's notice whenever you need it. Same goes for turbo, just half press and hold. And now we'll go ahead and turn it off here, and I'll show you the lockout feature. Actually, I forgot to show you the beam. So let's take a look here at the beam. See a nice hot spot, nice wide spill area. No real cutoff there, but spill area is very usable. And it's got really good range on this light. And again, 1100 lumens, 1000 lumens. This does is plenty bright for most applications. So now when you want to lock out the light, you don't want this to accidentally come on, of course. So we're locking it out now. You have two stage. This stage here locks out both buttons. Will not do anything. So we're going to press down and hold. So now I've unlocked it, but only by one. So there's two lockout stages. So as you can see, the one is locked out here. You cannot turn it on, but you can use the mode switch to be able to use strobe and the highest output. And there we go. It takes a second for it to respond, and now we've got the full access to the other light levels. And that's all there is to this light. Make sure you lock this light out if you do pocket carry it. It is a good idea, especially when using the highest output. You push that all the way down, it's going to get pretty toasty quickly. But very nice rugged construction on this. I've already fully tested this for months. It's nice to be able to get a release candidate, but it's identical to my sample that I had before that was sent to me, so that's also great news. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the Nitecore EDC27 UHi. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout. That is 38 feet. That is faintly making that at this light level. There it is on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. Get a little bit of better position here. Nice large hot spot. See, it's got some good range even at this lowest light output. Let's go back over here to the water spout. go to next level. A little jump there. Been experiencing a heat wave here, so been miserable the last 3-4 weeks. 22 days of triple-digit weather. Now it is faintly making 138 feet there. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Another little jump. See a little bit better here. Spill areas starting to come alive. 65 feet, even better here now. Now I do have a link below my video of my testing area. Should you have any doubts, check it out. Let's go next level. Now I have a YouTube short of this light in a different testing area of mine. 238 feet there now. That's great. Seeing across the park to those playgrounds. Tree line, fence line. Famous tree of life there. Before and after here. Sorry about that. So now we have gone through the regular UI. Now let's go ahead and do turbo. We're going to do it a few times here, but if you want to see crazy testing, check out my sneak peek of this. Let's go on the tree of life, see how it does. Look at that. Making that first palm tree. Now we'll step down, so we're going to do it again. Just kind of pan around. I'll do it a few times here. 238 feet. Now it'll get less and less because it is getting pretty toasty. So we'll do it one last time over here. Let's see how it does. Incredible. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Again, this is like reliving a great night out there in the night shots. This thing has decent throw for its size, but the power that this can do, you can use turbo over and over and over, but eventually, like I did out there, you're not going to want to do in the sample shots that I did in the sneak peek review. You don't want to do that. So if you space them out here and there while using the light, you've got that 3100 lumens whenever you need it. It is a short burst, so you have extremely bright, blinding light. If you need to do so, you have it right here in this little everyday carry, small enough to be put in your pocket and not hinder your walking ability too much. You can even shirt carry this, jacket carry this, put it in your backpack. Love the OLED display, bright, easy to read this, and of course you've got the charging port here. Charge it on the go, top it off before you head out there. You can always do so on the go. Type C will quickly get this battery back up and going. As far as build quality, no issues with Nitecore. I've never had any issue with them yet, and I've been doing reviews for them for many years. I think 2011 on my blog, before YouTube, of course. Well, I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this EDC27 UHi to review again. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is the complete kit. Comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below the video to the Nitecore store, including my special discount code that'll help you save money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these final release candidates, Nitecore lights, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.